Lovelies, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today is Thursday, and usually on Thursday I don't go anywhere. Yesterday I went out. Yeah, I went to work yesterday, and I came home very tired. You kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands still strong, but my knees will fall too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. See the way I'm tying scarf. Like, I missed my appointment on Saturday. I was supposed to make my hair on Saturday, but I missed the appointment, so I had to reschedule again this Saturday, because the woman usually go to work during the weekdays. She just use weekend to do hairs as a side hustle, and I'm actually waiting for her because most hair she does, like mostly the most hair she does is natural virgin hair. So those are the kind of hair she does. And she told me one time that I wanted to make attachments. Then she told me that she doesn't touch attachments unless I choose another style, or else I go and meet another person to make the hair for me. Okay, so but anyways, left to that, when I started this natural hair journey, I wanted someone that knows how to handle natural hair. Okay, not just anybody that can handle your hair and rough handle it. Okay, I just wanted someone that knows how to handle natural hair, and she is the best. Okay, her price is okay, so I had to wait for her. Anyways, I'm headed out. Is the English correct? I'm headed out. I want to go shop for one or two, okay, that we need at home in a nearby supermarket. Okay, so let me just shop one or two that we need at home. We ran out of some, not like we ran out of it, but I just want to restock because it will soon finish. Okay, some we ran out of it, like noodles. We don't have noodles again, and we don't have bathing soap again. Okay, we are using the last bathing soap. We just opened the last one inside the bedroom, so I just want to get one or two.
Your body driving crazy, yeah. Your body need a license, yeah. Got your body at the type of me. Your body nice, she just wanna dance auntie. 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 She just wanna dance auntie, man. Dance auntie, man. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Natural hair products are just freaking expensive. What? I went to this section. I was looking for castor oil, I was looking for coconut oil. I was able to buy only this coconut oil you are seeing. That castor oil next to the coconut oil is 8,000 naira. The almond oil I'm looking for, I saw it, but that one is 12,000 naira or thereabout. I was also looking for some other natural products like I can use for my hair, all right, that I can mix up with some products. I saw this mega growth. I wanted to get it. It's a deep conditioner. But I am back, so let me unbox. let me on board. All right, so I got Luna soap. Okay, I got this soap for Luna. I got this soap for Luna. 3 pieces. Nah, 3. Luna sea baits cushion baby soap. Okay, she still uses baby soap because her skin is so sensitive. There was a time I tried Johnson baby soap. That soap is very good for her. When I tried it, it's very good, but my problem with the soap is that it's expensive. Like I got like one, almost like 2,000 naira. I don't know, money just entered my hand that time, and I got like 2,000 naira 2 pack. Imagine Luna using that's like 2 like this, 2,000 something. I think 2002 or 2001, I can't remember. That was last year. So when I got the soap, it's so good for her and it's fine. I love it so well. I wish I can be able to maintain that, but I can't maintain it. Okay, I can't maintain it, honestly speaking. I wish I can, but I can't, because how will I be? Like 6 pack of that soap should be going for 6 pack should be going for almost 15 plus. Okay, so I don't have such. So I got this one for, I'll be checking my list. I got this one for how much? Okay, the 3 of them is 2,370. Okay, 2,370. I just got this because we ran out of, I just got these 3 because we ran out of some. Why this one? This one is 1,140 for the 3 of them. Okay, 3 of them is 1,140. Funny enough, the 3 of us in this house, we don't use same toothpaste. Oral-B is for my husband. Oral-B, I got Oral-B for 1,800. Colgate is for me. I use Colgate. Okay, and Colgate is 1,400. Okay, I don't know why, but for some reasons I don't like this toothpaste. I was using it before, but for some reasons I don't like it. I don't like the way I feel after brushing with it, so I prefer Colgate. Then I got this one, Colgate children, for children 2 to 5 years. Okay, so this is what Luna has been using ever since she started brushing. Okay, I got this one for 1,400 as well. This is the same price with this one, 1,400. Okay, I still have one more soap for us. Then I got Gino sachets. I was supposed to get 3 rows. Okay, but this is 2 rows, and I decided to test this particular one, this Tasty Tom. So I was doing mathematics. I don't even know, one of these is way cheaper than this one. Okay, if you calculate this one by 1 altogether, this one is more expensive than this if you put them together. So yeah, I was like, if I should put these 5 together, I'm going to get this one. So I now said, okay, it's not because of the calculation, but I just want to taste it. Okay, Tasty Tom, I just want to know how Tasty Tom feels. Okay, I just want to know how it feels. So this one is 600. This is 600. This is 1/8. The 10 pieces is 1/8. Okay, 10 pieces is 1/8. I got this for Luna as well. Okay, this Mentors, I got it for Luna. This is 320. This is 320. All right. I got bread. 1,350. Okay, 1,350. Luna likes bread a lot. And I got this. For 10,400. So I got this coconut oil as well. Gluten-free, no addictive, and it smells nice. Okay, I've opened it. Smells really nice. I'm very okay. I also got this water bottle for Luna. Okay, I just love the color and the fact that it's so tiny and little. It's so little and it's so small. I got it because of church. Okay, there is straw inside and it's she can easily handle it and she can easily use it without you helping her out. It's so nice. I got this for 800. Yeah, I got this for 800 or thereabouts. I don't know if it's only my daughter, but whenever my daughter comes back from school and immediately at times she don't even pull her uniform, but immediately she pulls her uniform. I don't like her wearing her school uniform to write assignment, but immediately she pulls her uniform, she's going straight to her assignment. Like, mommy, I want to write my assignment. Mommy, I want to write my assignment. Mommy, if you know, at times this sun can be scorching that you don't want to do any other thing other than relaxing your brain, like bathing, trying to calm down from the hot sun. But this girl will want to write assignments. What are we going to do? What are you giving me? Okay, I gave her the mentors I bought for her. So it's time to write assignments. After writing, you go and bake and rub powder. Oh yeah. She actually did this one herself now. So they said trace and write. W stands for warm. Warm. If you have warm inside your stomach, it will bite you and you will be saying, Mommy, my stomach is paining me. Warm.
Mom will bite me.
Where? Watch. Wolf. X-ray. X-ray. Xmas tree. Yogurt. You are not calling the T. Pronounce the T. Yogurt. Yak. Zigzag. Zebra. Is it zebra? I mean zebra. Zip. Hey lovelies, good morning. Thank you so much for always watching my video, for always subscribing, for always giving me a thumbs up, sharing my video. I really appreciate. Thank you. This woman is grateful. I am grateful for all the love. So I still haven't washed my hair. Yesterday I washed Luna's hair yesterday. So because of that I shifted my own, or I moved my own to this morning. But this morning I'm doing one or two, but I'm definitely going to do it. Okay, I'm definitely going to wash it. I'm just here to close this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for engaging. I really appreciate for the continuous support. Always coming here to watch me with your data is not easy. I hope I'm delivering. Like, I'm giving you the value of your money. Like, I just hope I'm delivering. At times I just look at my vlog and be like, who is going to watch me? But anyways, I just hope you find this video interesting. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to the channel. Join this beautiful family. You will enjoy us. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.